In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that pesky exclamation mark on Outlook. We'll go over a couple of scenarios that you might encounter when you see this symbol. Rest assured, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to handle them smoothly. First up, let's discuss the red exclamation mark you might see on an email. This simply indicates that the email has been marked with high importance. Now, if you find this unnecessary or just want to remove it, you can do so easily. Start by opening the email in question. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Message section and then move to Tags. You'll see an option labeled High Importance. Just click on it to turn it off. Alternatively, if you're in a hurry, you can right-click on the email, and if an option to remove the importance flag appears, go ahead and select that. It's important to note that seeing this mark doesn't mean there's something wrong with your system. It's just a priority flag. Now let's move on to the more concerning scenario. When you spot an exclamation mark on your Outlook icon or account, this typically suggests that there may be some underlying issues requiring your attention. It could be something as simple as Outlook needing your password, or it might be indicative of a sync problem, a mailbox connection hiccup, or an authentication failure. To resolve these, let's begin by re-signing into Outlook, which can often clear up these issues. Start by opening Outlook, then head over to File and select Office Account. From here, sign out of your account. Once signed out, restart Outlook to ensure changes take effect. After restarting, sign back into your account. If you're prompted to approve your sign-in, you might need to use the Microsoft Authenticator app for secure verification. If signing back in doesn't do the trick, checking for any send or receive errors could provide additional insights into the predicament. To do this, navigate to the Send Receive tab at the top of your screen. Click on Send Receive All folders and keep an eye on any error messages that might pop up. These messages can often guide you to the specific problem within the application. Lastly, let's ensure that you aren't working offline in Outlook, which can inadvertently disrupt your email flow. Open Outlook and again go to the Send Receive tab. Here, look for the Work Offline option. If it's highlighted, this indicates that you're not connected to the internet through Outlook. A simple click on this button will disable the offline mode and you should be back in business. And there you have it. These steps should help you tackle that annoying exclamation mark on Outlook, ensuring your email experience is as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!